Unwrapping the Gift of Time, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we're going to unwrap a special phrase that often pops up in English conversations, the gift of time. It's a phrase rich with meaning and can be a wonderful addition to your vocabulary. Let's dive in and explore this expression together. The phrase, gift of time, refers to the precious and valuable nature of time as a resource. It's often used to express gratitude for when someone spends their time generously or when unexpected free time becomes available. Time, unlike material gifts, is irreplaceable, which makes it a significant and thoughtful offering. In this section, we explore why time is considered so valuable. Time is the one commodity that, once gone, you can never get back. This is why offering your time to someone can be seen as a profound gesture of kindness. It's about giving a part of your life that you can never reclaim, which underscores the true intention of care and generosity behind the phrase. Let's put our phrase into action. When you say someone has given you the gift of time, you might be referring to situations where a person volunteered to help you with a project, chose to spend quality time with you, provided you with an opportunity to take a break or pursue your interests. For example, my mentor's advice was a gift of time. It saved me from making common mistakes. The weekend getaway was a gift of time for reflection and relaxation. This section explores how different cultures perceive the value of time. Some cultures are very time-conscious, considering punctuality and time management as crucial, while others have a more relaxed attitude towards time. Understanding this can help you appreciate the phrase's weight and application in various cultural contexts. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the phrase, gift of time. I hope this video helps you appreciate the profound meaning behind this simple yet powerful expression. May you both give and receive the gift of time generously in your lives. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.